Hello everyone, you can download the images for this tutorial for free. There are links in the video description below. First open this image of the line in Photoshop and you can go to your images folder, select the other image and just click and drag it to Photoshop like this and release it. And let's reduce the opacity of the layer. Then just resize it to reduce the opacity a little bit. To see the layer below, let's zoom out a little bit. And let's position it. Just position it somewhere you like the way it looks. So something like this. And double click when you're done. Commit the transformation. Let's increase the opacity to 70%, opacity of the layer. Let's double click on the first background layer. Click OK. And let's drag it above the layer with the younger layer. And let's change the blending mode of the layer to overlay. Let's select the younger lion layer. Let's actually rename it to younger layer and hit enter. And let's rename the other layer, so double click on the layer name to rename it to older layer. Now select the younger layer, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click right here at the bottom of the layers panel to create a layer below it. Now go to Edit, Fill, and for the contents choose black and click OK. Now let's select the younger layer and Control plus J to duplicate it and go to Filter, Add High Pass, and let's keep the radius at 100 pixels and click OK. Now change the blending mode to hard light and reduce the opacity of this layer to 50%. Now select the other lion layer and from here click and create new levels adjustment layer and click right here so that it affects only the other lion layer. And let's drag the black slider like this, and let's then drag the white slider like this, and adjust it a little bit like this and this. So let's select the other layer and reduce the opacity to somewhere around 70%. Think 73 looks good. So 73% for the opacity. Then select the levels layer and create another adjustment layer. This time choose hue saturation, and from this drop down menu where it says master, click it and select reds to affect only the reds of the image, and let's increase the saturation to somewhere around 27. So this is it. Make sure to subscribe to Damien Photoshop for more tutorials and like the video, and bye bye.